You want the road or inside, or do you care?
I'll take road.
All right. What's your dog? The dog's on this first bird over here, looks like. Yeah, she's going. Whoa. No. Whoa. Yeah, I see him. Okay. Well, that didn't work out the way I planned. Maybe I should have got more ammo. Okay, now the wind's blowing from our right, so she's...
What's it?
The wind's blowing from our right, so... Close? Whoa. Oh, I see him. He's up ahead. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
He's gonna come your way.
So, whoa. Oh, come on.
What's up?
What is going on here? Dang. Well, this is embarrassing. Now let's just head down the middle. All right. Oh, Jesus.
I see him.
Whoa.
10 feet ahead of him. Sophie, whoa. Sophie, whoa.
Whoa. I got him. Whoa.
Right. Hopefully.
There we go. Finally. Good dog, dead. Sophie, dead. Oh, good dog, dead. No, hey, no chew, no chew. Sophie, here. I think he's dead, but
I see
little,
one.
little neck ringing.
He's on the road. Are you loaded?
Way down there?
No, no, right here. Sophie, whoa.
Whoa,
Are you loaded?
I'm ready. Yep. Thanks for asking, though.
He's on the left tire track on the road. Walking. You see him?
Oh yeah, right there. And I try to get her. Sophie, here. Good dog.
Running a bit.
Yeah, I see him. Sophie, whoa. No, too far.